I'm here reporting in the field over at the Rainforest Cafe, where apparently some people have been tying knots and snakes. See this thing? This looks like a person. It's not a real person. Hi. You want me to come in? I don't know. It makes me uncomfortable that it has to say don't touch you. Do people try to touch you a lot? I feel like I should have a sign that says please don't touch me. I'm not basically asking to be touched. Could your shirt change colors? I swear to you. I'm not making eye contact anymore. I think it's getting awkward. I'm sorry, Daniela. I'm kidding. Alright, see ya.
Isn't that cool?
He's the very cutest thing. Of course. She gives the very best bites. It's like a kiss, but she doesn't have any lips. She does very good bites. She bites very well. Yeah, let's walk around the Rainforest Cafe. Oh, that's like the size for you. You like that? What would you keep in there, Wrinkle? What are you gonna keep your monies? You can keep all your money in there? Keep a snack? You keep a snack in your backpack. Go right here on your wings though. Like that. It's the perfect size backpack. Love this thing. Hello. Oh, that's not how you make friends, Wrinkle. It's a tree. Now this is Tracy. Wrinkle, I want you to meet a good friend of mine. What her name is Tracy. When I was a kid, Tracy here used to give me a lot of stuff, like shade, a couple branches. I made a tree house. Especially
Want to know something cool?
Sure.
Trees in rainforests can grow as tall as 200 feet.
200 feet.
Bamboo plants can grow as much as 9 inches a day.
9 inches a day of bamboo. They gotta get some hungry pandas to take care of that. Or else it's gonna be bamboo all over the place. That's right. You get the bushes. Yeah, they're all over the place.
Stop it.
Someone tied knots in those snakes. You shouldn't tie knots in the snakes. This is a PSA. I'm here reporting in the field over at the Rainforest Cafe, where apparently some people have been tying knots in snakes. It's been a problem. Some people think that it's a local kids in the area getting their kicks by tying knots in snakes. Maybe it's a TikTok trend. Maybe it's something else. As of right now, we don't have enough details to go any further, but as you can see, there are knots in pretty much every snake that we found here, and that is the news. Thank you. Back to you in the studio. Now that is a leopard. Oh, it's called a wildcat, Wrinkle. It's like Hello Kitty, but wild. It's got catitude. Oh my God! Look at that, Wrinkle. It's Paw Patrol. Wow! What an amazing thing to see. Oh my gosh! You have have all your familiar characters. I know, it's like they're they're knights. It's medieval times. Medieval times in the Rainforest Cafe. Oh, who knew? I guess because the last time there was a rainforest was in medieval times. Yeah, climate, globe, global. Right? This is a dragon. That is a Paw Patrol dragon. Even a dragon can be part of the Paw Patrol, but they don't have a duck. Ugh. Oh my gosh, look at that. They have a duck right here. Look, Wrinkle. There's a duck. They get a duck at the Rainforest Cafe. You see that duck, Wrinkle? Tiny little person, just let him go. He just hasn't got a hand yet. Maybe next year for Christmas. Get some hands. It's a panda corn. Very good. I know. You could be a panda corn if you use the snake and a bit of imagination. Don't be scared of the snake. Well, Wrinkle is scared of snake. See, look, duck corn. Yeah, very good, Wrinkle. You're a duckicorn. And this is an elephant. His corn comes out the front of his face. He's kind of like you. You're funny nose friends. Funny noses all day, every day, forever and ever. And our kids have funny noses, and they'll meet other funny noses. Imagine if you two had a baby, right? Your nose would be a hand. It'd be like a tube hand. Now let's meet. As long as you stay next to me, you can talk to this frog, but you shouldn't talk to this frog by yourself. It's got cheese feet too. The cheese is very sticky. You could stick to the walls if you wanted. There you go. See, it's a frog. That's a really big frog. You're on a date. Stay hydrated. Ooh, bubbles. That's fun. See those bubbles? What is that? What is that?
Hey bro, you got a duck?
That's my baby.
That's your baby?
Yeah.
You're ready, baby. Look. You don't see a duck every day. It's chilling.
I know, it's like you're inside of a soda. I know. There's a guy at the bottom and his job is to blow through a straw. It's a cornucopia. It's a giant grape. The grape's as big as your head. Look how big that tomato is. It would win the Ohio State Fair. Is it a peach? Maybe it's a mango. This year's harvest has been so plentiful. We've made a wall, a towering cornucopia. Say hello to the sloth, Wrinkle. Oh yeah, that's right. Hug the sloth. Very good. This sloth is very fat. Be nice to him. Hello, Wrinkle. I'm the big fat sloth. Every year, millions of these cotton candy sloths are harvested for their delicious texture to make cotton candy. Tell me, does it taste like cotton candy, Wrinkle? Yeah. Very good. Hello, Wrinkle. You can kind of go up a little bit and then come down. Can you give that a try? No? You don't want to bounce around? You can do it.
Shoes shiny for a duck. Duck shoes. Yeah, she got these shoes here. They get a little dirty sometimes.
Well, she got to keep
Her thing's fresh.
Yeah, there we go.
Hey, how long have you had it for?
She's 2 years old. Yeah. Wrinkle. Are you ready?
What's the name? Wrinkle. You have it from baby?
Since you was an egg.
Oh my god.
Ask you myself.
You're the boss.
Right, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Ya tomame una de ellas.
No. That's right, Rinky. Who's a bad kisser? You sneaky kisser. My baby. That's Wrinkle. Makes you cry. Does it give this bump? That is so hot. Oh, she's not a pet. She's a tiny little person.
Of course, I get that.
If anything, I'm the pet.